we just dropped the wig off. Hey guys, back to another video. This is not gonna be the intro, but this is the part of the video. We just dropped our wig off because on the website it tells me to drop off the wig before the day comes, which is tomorrow. And my appointment is at 11:40. And I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm not even gonna sit here and lie to y'all face. This is not the first time, but the first time was the worst time. So we're not gonna put that as the first time. We're gonna make an X. We're gonna cross that out and throw it in the trash. But we just dropped the wig off. Tomorrow is our appointment. I just asked her if I could record, and she said yes. So we are good. And she said she's gonna hook me up. So nothing. We're not gonna get too hyped. Yes, y'all. We just did our thing. I'm gonna see y'all probably tonight because I gotta wash my hair. I'm gonna show you the little process, but tomorrow's the day. January 1st is the date. So I'm just praying to the Lord that He keeps me in His little circle and that He makes it right for me tomorrow because this is the first time of the year. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Hours later, I look a hot mess. Don't even mind it. So I'm gonna do the ghettoest hair wash ever that you've seen in your life. Okay. When I say the ghettoest, I mean the ghettoest. So I don't feel like washing my hair. But when my mom did my hair a couple weeks ago, she only put gel on the perimeters clean because I washed it before she did it. So it's all clean, but just this part. So I'm gonna wet it and then I'm gonna blow dry that part. Is that ghetto or what? But this is the day before. It's 11:44. It's about to be 2022, and we starting off the ghetto. Come out with a bottle. And you just want to spray the front just to rinse out on the sides and the back. And that's it. And you're done when your hair is washed. Like, rub inside of it, get all that product out of your hair, Get your blow dryer, get your comb.
Until my will runs dry.
It still doesn't feel like blow dry, but I think it's good. I'm going to put 4 ponytails in my head. Hopefully that's some fireworks. My 4 ponytails, gotta put my bonnet on. We are ready for tomorrow. She said, like I told her, she already said we can record, so I already got my outfit picked out for the freestyle. So I see that jacket right there? I got me an outfit for that jacket, and then if you have to see on my TikTok, I got me an outfit for that brown jacket. Y'all got your things close to me because I got mine close to me. Happy month for New Year's because, honey, 2022 where? 2022 where? Period. I will see y'all in the morning. At 11:40 appointment, but we're gonna go around it's not so far from our house. 11:20. So we're going at least 10 o'clock. So. Okay, I look a head mess, but this is how we coming, and it is 11:30, y'all. 11:30, and I gotta actually back up from here. So it's 11:30, and we'll be there at 11:40. It's so freaking foggy out here. But anyways, I look a hot mess, but guess what, sis? We finna get dialed up. So that wouldn't even matter. Oh, y'all, got the tripod. Oh, freak. My boy. Sorry, y'all. Brush my teeth, honey. We was right tight. I'm late. But we are all ready, and I can't believe I'm going out like this. And y'all, I guess what, y'all? 1 minute, hopefully. The first expression is not bad, Getting on time and give you a good expression on each other, but I'm just gonna set up the camera and we're just gonna walk and see what happens at the end of the day, you know what I'm saying? I know y'all probably like, girl, you gotta do better than that. Blow drying. I had to use my hot brush this morning. That's why I feel like I came out late because my hair was really hard, okay? It's getting hard in it, so I had to, it's good straightened. I look a hot mess, but we ain't worrying about that right now. I'm literally down the street, almost there, so let's see what it do. It's January 1st, y'all. Happy New Year's. New Year. It's time for new focuses. You know what I'm saying? Positive vibes. In the past. Alright, I'll see you when we get started.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else will do like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Be underway, you can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, deep, 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 and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you
Gosh, y'all, honey, what lace? Honey, what lace? Y'all, she did her thing. Like, honey, stop playing. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my god. I really love it. She did her thing. I enjoyed myself. Settled in my house, you know what I'm saying? Oh, there's another car coming. But y'all, the edges is air refining, period. Oh my god, y'all, the hair is so soft. And she even said it herself that this wig is bomb. Like, she was dead serious. Like, she said I had to even send her the link to their website because she wanted to check them out because the hair is just so bomb. And it honestly 100% is. Honey, stop playing, baby. Because she did her thing. Okay. I'm on my way to the house. Back to the house. It's 222. Stop playing with them. It's 222. And I will be going back to her because I have more wigs that I need to do. Oh my god. And she lived way close to me, so we might as well, she might be able to be my stylist. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Honey, my sister's feeling herself. Stop playing with her. Like, God, like, it's so freaking soft. Like, and the curls is popping. I'm up in the house, perfect. Alright, y'all. So, I think that's the end of this video. This is how it looks when it's almost dry. It's like damp. And I'm literally in love with it. Like, she did her thing on this wig. On Instagram, I'll put her Instagram video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My experience was good. I was comfortable. It was just, everything was good. Honestly, like, as you can see, lace weird. Might say something. Anyways, the hair, like I said, is so super duper soft. Link in the description. Go get y'all some right now. I'll put the wig that I have also in the link in the description, which I suggest you to go get one because, honey, this right here, ooh, like probably in a couple days I'm doing like a middle part. Look at that. See that? I could do a middle part, and I could do like a little ponytail up here, half up, half down. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure I give this a big thumbs up, like this video right now. And overall, like I told you, my experience was comfortable. I felt good. There's nothing really else to say about it. Yeah, the wig is gorgeous. I'm satisfied. Like, this is honestly the first time I'm satisfied with a wig. Okay, like as I told y'all, I keep saying it, there was a point where I went to one before and it was a horror story. The outcome was a horror story. So I will tell that story probably probably next week. So I love it. It's giving, very much giving. Like, it feels like my real hair, and I just in love with the curls. And yeah, like always in my videos, all I want you to do is be yourself in the room. Sweet. I forgot to show y'all the little goodies. Don't mind my shirt, it's big, but I forgot to show y'all the little goodies that they gave me, because these are really cute and so nice of them. None of the hair people, not to be shady or nothing, they never gave me like a little cute hair bag. This is like a hair bag, okay? So I already opened it. They gave me a bonnet, like a whole bonnet, a comb, cute little, I was gonna say rat comb, but it's not a rat tooth comb. Or is it a rat tooth comb? I thought a rat tooth comb has like the metal thing at the end. Anyways, we have some lashes. You know, companies always send lashes. And then we have a hair cap, some cute clips that came with it. Y'all, an edge brush, y'all. I don't think a hair company ever sent me an edge brush. That's different. And the last thing we have is a headband. So that was all the little goodies that they gave me. That was really nice of them. So thank you so much if you're watching this. Recool Hair, I appreciate it. But yeah, still loving his hair.
Wasted, loving all the nights I spent wondering why we couldn't be. Ooh. And now that you're alone, you're on my phone, running game. But maybe, baby, when